Thank you to University of Tirtayasa for facilitating International Conference on Advanced Mechanical and Industrial Engineering ICAMIE 2020. Steering Committee for accepting my people to be included conference at the July 8, 2020. Dr. Irma Saraswati, MT, who reviewed my people. Good morning to everyone. We would like to present detection system and security monitoring of the storage room of liquid oil gas with zoning method. My name is Suzuki Sofian and Guswan, my partner from Dharma Persada University, Department Information of Technology. Background, we are research. Disaster of fire is one of disaster often happen in Indonesia. Many cases of fire are known after fire has been over, and only few of the cases can be detected much earlier. As we know that the fire comes from the triangle of flame, fuel, oxygen, and fire. Therefore, it needs more extra handling so that it will not cause a big loss to the users. Communication technology that has become part of human communication today. Almost 90% of people have this cellular communication tool. The communication is done either by using voice, video call, or a chat through Telegram application. And product identification are LPG is a sensitive gas toward fire. So it is very important to pay attention closely to its security. There is no special security system when the leak of LPG is indicated. The detection device only provides warning in an alarm, but there is no countermeasure system. Even though LPG has strong smell, people sometimes do not realize when the leak of gas with a high risk toward fire. And next, this research is aimed to provide early warning of the danger of the leak in the LPG tube, reduce the loss caused by the leak in the LPG tube, and design and realize a device that can detect the leak in the LPG tube. Research method. We look figure 1, flowchart detection system. System design and modeling is done to anticipate the occurrence of warehouse fire. First, flowchart start and process Arduino and modem installation. And process next, read sensor, gas, temperature, motion, fire, sex, and humidity. And we look if gas sensor equal yes, and if gas temperature greater than 60 Celsius degree, And if humidity temperature sensor with the room humidity sensor, yes, buzzer on, fan on, data sending to website. And no, welcome back to read sensor. If get a sensor and temperature greater than 60 Celsius degree, and if humidity temperature sensor greater than room humidity sensor, yes, buzzer on, fan on, it is sending to website. The same before. Read sensor, next, if motion sensor equal, yes, equal with yes, fan on, data sending to website. And if file sensor equality with yes, based on motion air sending to website. And if gas sensor and motion sensor equality with yes, based on motion air sending to website. That's flowchart detection system for research method. And research method need input and required output. One, the MG2 sensor is gas sensor. Sensor KY015DST1 is a temperature and humidity sensor. Output 1, buzzer is warning sign. 2, relay vector exhaust device and water pump. Result and discussion. Figure 2, use case diagram analysis illustrate that user login application can see fire sensor, gas sensor, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, motion sensor, shake sensor included if user login. And figure 3, detection and display monitoring. Detection and display monitoring gas. This is initial. This is the initial menu display after login. Monitoring menu is the main menu. In this menu can see comprehensive chart of all sensor and can see table to really from all sensor. Next, we look sensor testing. Sensor testing works in table 1, table 2, where all condition in table 1 and table 2 be active, except at distance 4 centimeter cannot be active. With the same time, in the table 3, table 4, testing of sensor to get the position, the fire function, except at decision 40 centimeter. In the table 4, temperature condition around 35 degree. The fan and buzzer active. Under 34 degrees, fan and buzzer inactive. Likewise, the motion and vibration sensor testing. On the condition of not moving, the fan is not active. In the active fan moving condition, now vibrate, buzzer not active. There is a prevailing, buzzer is active. We look output testing in the table 7, 8, table 9. All of table show buzzer inactive, water inactive, fan inactive for 0 volt input potential. And input potential for 4.8 volt buzzer active. 12 volt water motor active. 12 volt fan active. And zoning method testing. Available input sensor output. Input sensor gas, motion, temperature, fire, sex, humidity. Output fan, buzzer, control air, website. Telegram. For example, input sensor number 1, humidity available, website and telegram on. Sex available, buzzer, website, telegram on. Motion available, fan, website, telegram on. Temperature available, fan on, buzzer on, website and telegram on. Gas available, fan on, buzzer on, website on, telegram on. And then fire available, buzzer on, control air on, website and application telegram on. And the end conclusion are number one, the application has a rule is running well, and the test results are in accordance with the needs to detect, activate, exhaust, and monitor. Number two, the application aims to minimize the occurrence of LPG gas leakage in terms of report information to company management and admin. Reference, there is 5 references. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, please invite me. Wassalam. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.